Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rafael Peña Reyes. This is my video submission for teaching. I have my family here to help me out. Today, what I'm going to be teaching them is how to solve two-step equations. So, I'm going to throw in a little fun twist for you guys. Thank you, by the way, for being here. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Rafael.
Thank you.
Yeah, so to help you guys learn today's topic, I'm going to be throwing in a fun song that will help you learn better. Before we even get into solving two-step equations, I just want to connect it to the real world because most of the time we don't really know how what we're learning applies. So two-step equations is very practical for solving like finances and whether we want to buy something or we want to save money, helps us figure out how to manage that. But also even cooking, when you want to find out the exact amount you may need of one thing for a recipe, right? So the main goal of equations is to isolate a variable. So here I have an equation, 2x plus 3 equals to 11. As you can see, I'll show you guys. 2x plus 3 equals to 11. So right here, the variable is labeled by this x. It's a letter. We want to get it all alone. So I'll start off. Here, it's 2x plus 3. So to cancel out this plus 3, I can subtract 3. I can cancel out this 3, and then I have to do it on both sides of the equal sign. So now the equation simplifies to 2x equals to 8, right? This then is now being multiplied by 2. How we can cancel out a multiplication is through its inverse. So we divide. Particularly, we divide by 2. So the answer to this variable, once we isolate it, is x equals to 4. Do you see how I did that? It was a bit quick, I know, but we'll do some more examples. Right?
Yes.
X equals to 4. Okay, here. I have another example. Let's walk through this one together, right? Here I have 3x plus 6 equals 15. So, based on this last example, I first canceled out this constant that was attached to the x. In this second problem, 3x plus 6 equals 15, what should I cancel out first?
The constant, which is 6.
6. Great. How would I cancel out a plus 6? Minus 6, yes. So I subtract it from both sides, and then the equation becomes 3x equals 9. Now as we can see, this variable here, x, is being multiplied by 3. We want to get it to the other side to get the x alone. Since this is being multiplied, how can we cancel this out?
The 3, 4.
Yeah, the 3.
3, 4 is divide.
Divide 3, yes. And then our problem becomes x equals to 3. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, very clear.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys here. So here's a little song I wrote to help you guys memorize this. Should be very simple. So I'll sing it first and then you guys can repeat after me. To solve two-step, this is what you do. First add or subtract, say woohoo. Then multiply or divide to get x alone. There you go. Now you're in your zone. Okay, one more time and then we'll repeat. To solve two-step, this is what you do. First, add or subtract, say woohoo. Then multiply or divide to get x alone. There you go, you solved it. Now you're in the zone. Okay, so let's say it together. To solve two-step, this is what you do.
To solve
So
two-step,
the step,
this is what you do.
this is what you do.
First, add or subtract, say woohoo.
First, add or subtract, then say woohoo.
Then, multiply or divide to get x alone.
Then
Then
multiply or divide to get x
to
alone.
get x alone.
You solved it. Now you're in the zone.
You solved it. Now you're in the zone.
All right. So that's it. We learned a song, and then I'll give you guys another more examples to do on your own, so you can really learn. But thank you for being a part of this, and thank you. That is my submission. Again, my name is Rafael Peña Reyes. Thank you.